That's gonna be hard. Ain't that gonna be hard? It's gonna be hard as hell.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Your favorite bitch!
Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my ring. Since 16, I was coming down riding Lexus. How you gonna relate this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got so library.
Alright, what's up y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, we are being a pastel clown for Halloween. Okay, this is the start of my Halloween series, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I have my PASTEL TROLLZ rainbow wig Nicki Minaj recreation that I did earlier in the year. We are repurposing this wig for this video. Okay, we are just going to add some spring curls throughout it. I'm using my I think it's either a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch spring iron that I got from my dad's store. I'm just spraying it with some hairspray and then going throughout the entire head. Initially, I wanted to do the just half, like I wanted to do like a half pastel clown, half regular me, and then I filmed it, and then the video was out of focus the entire video, and then also I look low-key scary and I wasn't trying to do all that. Okay, so y'all will see later on in the video how my vision in my mind came to life. But yeah, we're just gonna continue adding spring curls throughout this entire wig. I let it set overnight. As you can see, I was blowing into the wig from time to time just to have the curls set, and then I just took a wide tooth comb and combed everything out so it was like big and fluffy. Okay, so the brows are filled in. Now we're going to do the eyeballs. Okay. I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Fair Porcelain. This is the lightest shade, I think, L100. And we're going to do the eyeballs. Okay. I have an idea of what I want to do. Alright, so the palette I'm using today is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And what do I want to start off with? I think I want to do From the outside in. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna kind of replicate like my hair in a sense. All right, so next I'm gonna go into the yellow shade here from the palette. These are all just gonna be random brushes. I have a bunch of e.l.f. blending eye brushes and a bunch of e.l.f. crease brushes. I'm just gonna use those because they're dense and I'm able to pack on the color. Okay. Ooh, let's take this one actually. Okay. Just stamping it on. Okay, so I am now applying green. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put my bonnet on because I feel like that, there we go. Because the hair was not letting the camera, ooh, focus on me. Oh my God, my ears. All right, we good? Thank you. Because I didn't want to get upset today. I'm not in the mood. Okay. Ooh. Alrighty. So now I'm going to go into my blue shade and I'm using the one right beside the green that we used. Oh, come on, focus. Don't do this to me. This one right here. Okay, and I'm just going to go into this shade here, this purple shade in the top right corner. Now I'm gonna top it off with some white just to lighten it. Okay. I'm gonna go into this pink shade here, and then that's gonna be what's on the inner corner or whatever. Oops. Okay, just making sure to blend it to make it seamless. So both eyes are done. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to clear. We're gonna cut the crease, okay? I'm gonna be taking my Garnier Micellar water and I'm just going to tap my brush in that and then dab off the excess so it doesn't run. We're just going to clear off the lid. Ooh. I'm just following my eye shape, okay? Okay, so my lids are cleared off. We're gonna do the base. And I'm not gonna film this part because like, there's no point. Like, it's just gonna be my regular base, but we're gonna do more stuff after we're done, okay? Cool. Okay, so I finished my base. I'm just applying my finishing powder. I haven't contoured yet because I have an idea. And I'm looking nervous, okay? So, you're going to do it on camera. Okay, get into the smooth canvas, period, okay? So, I want a nose contour and I want a regular contour, right? But I want it to be a rainbow. I want it to be a rainbow. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer in the shade L100, the Fair Porcelain. Here's what we're going to do, please. I'm I'm going to apply it with my Morphe M124 brush. Hopefully she's dry from the myself water because I don't want it to run. Okay. I don't want to apply too much. You know what? There we go. But dab off the excess. Here's what we're going to do. I am just going to dot it down the bridge of my nose where I would normally contour. Maybe go up to my eyebrows. Do y'all see that? Okay, cool. Cool. And then I am going to, where are all the brushes? Where's the pink brush? Come on, there we are. I'm gonna go back into my, come on. I'm gonna go back into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to repeat the rainbow, but make sure it goes from the, how do I explain it? I'm trying to explain it. Like, you know how the rainbow's going this way? It's gonna go like this way. So just so that the pink merges together by the nose bridge and my brow. Okay, cool. I am feeling it. Okay, now we're gonna do it with the contour. All right. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? Where's the brush I use to apply? No, that's not it. That ain't it, boo. Where'd it go? Oh, right here. Okay. So, right, since the contour I want to go, I'm not carving it out. Alright, and then I'm going to take this brush, it's from my Amazon brush set, and we're just going to go up. Y'all see that? Cool. All right, so I'm gonna take the fluffy brushes I was using. Which way do I want to go? Yeah, okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the pink and purple, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, all the way to like the pinkish red, so that that'll form as like a blush, right? Cool. Okay, I am feeling this. I'm feeling it. I wanted to do like, you know, like the little clown triangles, but I don't think I'm gonna do one. I don't think so. Am I gonna do it with the lips? Should I? That's gonna be hard. Ain't that gonna be hard? It's gonna be hard as hell. So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats. I don't know why I keep forgetting what she's called. Okay, then just gonna dust that across the side. Bring it into the rainbow contour a little bit. We're gonna go back into the light concealer, and I'm gonna take, what do I want to use? I just had it. Oh, right here. The e.l.f. small smudge brush. I'm just gonna take a little, and we're going to outline on the nose. And then I'm going to take the, oh, actually, just use the same brush from earlier. And pop that on the nose. Okay, so I'm gonna do my liner off camera, simply because, yeah. But I'm gonna tell you what I'm using. Per usual, I'm gonna outline with my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and then I'm gonna fill it in with my Essence Super Last eyeliner in deep black. Okay, I will check in with y'all, and I'm also gonna put on my lashes. These lashes are from AliExpress, and they're in the style E7. They're very va va boom. But since we don't really have anything on the lid, it's gonna add to the look. No, it's not gonna do too much. Okay. Okay, so my lashes are on. Let's unleash the hair. Hopefully it focuses. Doesn't lose focus. I'm just going to fluff her out a bit. Okay. If y'all saw how my desk looks, it looks insane. Insane. Okay. All right. Ooh. Ciao. Okay, I lined it with molasses, right? I lined my lips with molasses. Now I need to decide if I want to put this on. This is like a red though. Okay. I guess I'm doing it. Alright, so I popped some nails on. These are just regular press-ons that I made. I'm gonna take them off after this because this is way too long for me, okay? But yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye! Baby, that was a long time ago.